right? I want to see continued strength. We took a long this morning right here off this red bar that was ignored. We took most of our profits up here. I have one SPX contract left. Let's see what happens here. Watching the 5 minute, right? Watch the 5 minute. What's it going to look like when it retests the 9, right? I'm not watching price like crazy. I'm watching what it looks like as it retests my blue line right there. I'm bumping stops up accordingly here because we always want to protect ourselves. I like seeing buyers hold that. I like it. I like seeing buyers hold it. I like seeing buyers hold that right there. That was nice. There's still a lot to go here. We're coming into the highs, but now we at least have another level to play off. Very nice. Very nice. Look at the battle here at previous day high. Look at that battle. That battle was wall, 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 wall. And notice, where did it shift? Where did it all change? Right there at 1016. 1016. Red bar ignored. I was going to add in. I didn't because I already had, a contract on. But that was why, right? We watch those. We like to play those. We're coming into this 5975 level. Let's see if we can get paid today. Bam, there we go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Probably bump that stop up a little bit to the 2 minute. Let me see. What's a logical stop? Coming into this high here. This is high of day. Can buyers break high of day? Let's see. We shall see. And this is what moving averages do for me, right? It really helps me watch like the price action at the moving. It keeps me super present, right? Like super present. Not like getting super analytical. I used to obsess over the ticker. Now I watch the candle and I watch the moving average, right? It keeps me super grounded. Honestly, this might be re-entry. Not right here, but we get a RBI here, red bar, and it gets ignored. I'll enter into this with more contracts. We shall see. Let's go back to that 1 hour and see how that played out there. Look at that. Nice tag on the 1 hour. It's beautiful. If you guys get anything from High Performance Trader, let it be the 1 hour. Like the way we use the 1 hour. Adopt that in your strategy. That right there, my friend, has changed my life. It helps me, like moving averages on the 1 hour. Guide me every single time. Every single trade. I'm sure you guys starting to see there in the HPT Cross Trading Metrics channel. I've been incorporating notes on what that 1 hour looked like when we were getting in the trade, what I was looking for, etc. It's very important. It helps me a lot. Getting a little bit of a battle here. Getting a little bit of a battle. I'd like to see we made at least a 1 cent new high. I think everyone's like, holy shit, is this really going to rip again today? And we shall see. We shall see. We have no upside targets. Getting a little bit of selling here. Let's see what the 5 minute looks like. Yep. 5 minute. Look, it got extended. Pulled back into it. Snapback. Snapback. Gotta watch the snapback. 26. Got to watch the snapback. Let's see if we can get an RBI. Red bar. What do we got? We got 10 more seconds on this candle. Let's see. All right, can buyers ignore it? Can they ignore it? They ignore that. I'm in. Go for another scalp to the upside. That 15 minute, like that candle is just, there's 4 more minutes left on it, but that's definitely a pretty strong 3-bar play there on the 15 minute time frame. There was multiple news too. Let's see what the news was telling us today here. I know there was. announcements, daily news. Daily news here. I posted while I was driving. 11 o'clock. Michelle Bowman. Is she gonna make the market rip? She gonna make this thing rip. Trump's back in office. Putin's calling out of wars. I mean, I don't know, guys. Like, I mean, based on what I'm looking at in front of me, I think the market's gonna rip. I mean, it could change, but I think it's gonna move a little bit, boys. That's an add-in right there, with a stop below. It did push above it. Hold on, I'm gonna give it a little minute. 15-minute looks very strong. I want to see this hold. That is a RBI. So our stop is going to go probably right below that. 15-minute looks strong, baby. She looks strong. Look at that 15-minute, dude. Playing all-time highs can be a little tricky. Because there's no upside targets. You never know when large money is just going to come in and just, completely decimate whatever position you have. So just, play accordingly. Keep your stop appropriate. Don't do nothing that's going to crush you. I did not add into this, by the way. I'm playing a little conservative with it being all-time high. I like seeing us make a new high, though, and I like seeing that red bar. And so anytime you get an RBI, I like seeing the candle retest the level. And I'm looking for buyers to defend the test here. Sellers are a bit strong right here. But the 5-minute time frame is still holding pretty well, so I got to stay in the trade for now. All right, we closed above it. We closed above it. Using my moving averages. Using them. I don't like that 5 candle in front of us, but moving averages tend to hold a little more weight sometimes. Sometimes large money will fake you out with these long wicks into a level. I try just to focus on the moving average. That serves me pretty well. Instead of going, we got a large wick here, it's going to reverse. That's not always the case, right? Use your moving averages to determine the direction. Candles do help a lot, but you got to use both, right? There's no one that's better, but you got to use them the right way. Definitely a little bit of selling up here. All right. All right. I mean, the rest is pretty much in the market's hands, right? I mean, there's nothing else we can do. Oh, very nice push. Very nice push. Come on, let's break that level. Very strong green candle into that. Very nice. Let's get fucking paid. Let's get a very nice rally up here. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. No upside targets, boys. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm going to use my moving averages here. Keep a level head. Stop loss is going to go below this red bar that was ignored. And I'm looking for this level. I'm looking for buyers to hold this, basically. Watching my moving averages. I like seeing buyers pushing through this. And if I whip out that 1 hour TF, let's just monitor that. We're looking pretty good. We got Michelle Bowman on the mic in 30 minutes. So just stay aware, right? Bump your stops up. Protect your position. Ready? Let's revisit that 15, right? 15-minute looks pretty good. We're looking like we're about to rally, honestly, if you ask me. Yeah, I want to see this hold. The cloud is opening up pretty well. Let me put the cloud up here. HPT, do set. Get rid of the pits. Apply. And this market is just really just ripping. It is definitely like on a tear. Look at this. I like seeing a lot of traders talk about their other positions. We got some people holding Tesla. That's what it's all about, guys. It's all about just identifying opportunity. This is how we do it. I love it. Look at this. Very, very nice push here into the highs. Let's see if buyers can hold it. Just like I said, stop is 5.7. What is that? 5.9716 on the remaining contract. I want to see buyers hold these highs. We did a really good job managing this trade, I feel like. We locked in a lot of profits off that morning rip, and we let 10% hold, and we did a really good job using previous day high to do that. Watching the 5-minute, right? That really helps me when it comes to pullbacks and stuff, guys. Watch the 5-minute, watch the moving average, watch how price is reacting to it, right? It takes a lot of acceptance. Like, you literally gotta be willing to, be like, okay, I'm up 27% right here on my SPX contract due to time decay and stuff. And my stop's going to be below this level, which will probably put me to a break even, right? And I got to be okay with that, right? It is what it is. And that's what I'm willing to pay to see if this continues up, right? So got to have a lot of acceptance. Watching that 5 minute, I want to see candles. What do we got? We got like 4 minutes left on the candle. 5 minute candle. I want to see buyers hold it. Hope everyone is having a good week. Yesterday I struggled a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday it was hard price action. And you know it happens, right? Sometimes we overthink things. Sometimes you know it's not as clear as other days, right? And like you know I'm glad you guys like you know just like there's no trader that doesn't go through that, right? Like you know we're literally getting in and out of the financial markets daily, right? Like we're playing up against some of the strongest traders alive. So you know like it's gonna happen. You know the important thing is to make sure you have a process that you stick to and that you can repeat. All right, we got a little bit of selling here. A little bit of selling, a lot of bit of selling. But remember, we're using that that RBI right there, right? I got my stop a little below it because that's just how the market moves. It's going to try to shake out the weak traders. So you know, it's grabbing liquidity. Look at that right there off the 2 minute. 2 minute retest, 20 EMA, bam. That tells us a story. Little extended here on the 15. Little extended. What's the high? 59768. So my stop on this is 597. 597 will be my stop. Getting a little bit of selling. I don't like seeing high of day fail. 40. Yeah, that's looking a little sketch. It's almost like we went up so high so quick. All right, let's watch that EMA again. See what happens. 2 minute. Oop. See, that's once again. This is why I use them. You guys seen that? You guys seen that bounce right there? Unbelievable. 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 Look at that. That's why you can't. This is why we follow the principles that we do, and we don't make decisions based off emotion. It's a challenge. It's not easy. But that's like every trader that talks to me about runners or letting their winners run. That's what you have to be able to do, guys. You have to be able to let that pull back, just like we just did. Use the moving average. Look at that. That's beautiful. Everybody stomped out, provided liquidity to the upside, and now we're still rolling. Look at this. It's exactly what I want to see. It was a phenomenal push right there. Stop could probably go below that candle now, because that level told us a story, right? It told us a valid story. Right, like right there was a lot of buying. So now, if sellers can push price below that, that tells us that the buyer that was just holding the market is probably, you know, not stronger than sellers. Therefore, that's a good spot maybe to get out of the trade. Let's see if buyers can continue here. Got Michelle Bowman in 20 minutes, 17 minutes. All right, now we're retesting high of day. Previous high of day is 597.51 level. Look at the 2 minute, right? I want to see us hold that. Stop is now below 597.22. Once again, if we can close on the 5 minute back above that 9, we should get a valid push to the upside. EMA cloud looks pretty good. 1 hour TF. It's fucking looking strong. Playing an all-time high, very strong right here. There we go. Give me a push. Give me a very strong push. Definitely got something little going on up here. Four hour looks lovely. Red bar. Where's the red bar ignored at? Another RBI here would be phenomenal. Holding high of day. Trying to. It's always a story. Learn to read price action like a story, and it helps me make way better decisions. Getting that nice push off high of day. Very nice. 59760. What's the high gonna be today? 600? That would be sick. That would be phenomenal. Let's see here. It's so crazy how like systematic this comes, guys. Whoa, there we go. There it is. Getting a nice push here. See if buyers can hold it. Looks like there's some liquidity up there. Once again, stop loss goes right here. Push. There it is. Come on. Where's our 5 minute at? 5 minute looks very good. Oh man, this is lovely, guys. It's very lovely. Super lovely. Super lovely. Bump the stop up. Nice push. Look at that. Great job on this play, guys. This was really good. And we just keep doing this. Keep bumping stops up. Keep bumping stops up. I want to see like a hella push. I want sellers to just... Oh, there it is. Yo, let's go. I want sellers just to die right now. I want them just to fall out and be like, shit, guys. We're leaving the building. We're leaving the markets. Look at this. Let's get paid. Look at this, guys. Come on. Where they at? Look at that. Watching the 5 minute. Not getting too excited. Staying patient. Watch the 5 minute. Watching 2 minute. I want to see these hold. Look at the moving average on the 5, right? Don't look at anything else. Right? Just watch the candles. Watch the condos. Let me go back to the chat. It's a bit of a battle. It's a bit of a battle, but we don't let a little red scare us, right? We got our stop where it needs to be, and the market does the rest. That's it. Market does the rest. Could probably put the stop at this like 59740 now. That probably makes sense. Using the cloud, right? Use the cloud. Follow the cloud.